All right, today we are going to make hand sanitizer. Here are your list of ingredients. Isopropyl alcohol, either 91 or 99%. Please don't use any other form of alcohol. It could either not be effective or be dangerous to your skin. Aloe vera gel. If you want to add some scent, you can add some essential oils. Containers. These are travel size containers that you can get at Target or on Amazon. A mixing bowl, a clean spoon, measuring cup, and a funnel. All right, let's make some hand sanitizer. First step, add alcohol to the bowl. If you're using 99% isopropyl alcohol, then you can do 2 parts alcohol, 1 part aloe vera gel. However, if you're using 91%, I recommend adding a little more alcohol than that. Add 1 part aloe vera gel. Mix it well. I recommend mixing it with the back of the spoon. I find that it mixes a little better with the back. You want to mix this for about 2 to 3 minutes. If you want to add a scent to your mix to get rid of the alcohol smell, choose your favorite essential oil. And for about 1 cup of solution, I would recommend between 8 to 10 drops of essential oil. Stir for another 20 seconds. Grab your container, the funnel in the container, and pour.